Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a bit of a minute since you last saw me, but just wanted to let you know that I'm back. I'm going to be back doing the cleans, back testing the products and accessories, so watch out. But seeing as we're back and we're going to kick things off, I've got something big for you, and that is this, the Grandfalls Retractable Pressure Washer Plus from Giraffe Tools. So let's get into it. So before we get into it, we're going to see what's in the box. First off, we got the instruction manual. Then we got your fixtures and fittings and a new tap connector. Then you have your foam lance, which I was a little bit hesitant about, but we'll see how it performs later on. Then we got this 2-meter hose to feed the machine. This is absolutely quality. It's probably the best lead I've ever seen come with a jet wash. Then we have your standard lance with your 0 to 80 degree adjustment nozzle. We also have the pressure washer itself and a lovely hard-wearing mounting bracket. Now this is supposed to go on the wall, but I'm having rendering done to the front of my house, so I've been asked not to drill any holes. So as you guys are watching me wash everything in my garden, it's absolutely filthy. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this Grandfalls retractable pressure washer. Now, as you know, it comes with a 30-meter replaceable pressure wash hose, which some of these clips I was at the top of my garden, right the way around the side of my house, and it didn't lose any pressure at all. And the pressure this is pushing out is 165 bar, 8 litres a minute at 93 decibels. So as you know, this machine is totally wall mountable. It comes with a very sturdy wall mounted bracket, easy to set up. All you need is a 12mm drill bit. You have all the hardware provided, and it even comes with its own little spirit level to make sure that it's all straight. Easy, straightforward. I will be doing a YouTube short when my house has been rendered. So as you'll see guys, this thing has endless uses. You can clean your windows, your fences, your gutters, your garage floors, patios, outdoor furniture, your decking, your driveways, you name it, it will clean it. And with that 30-meter retractable hose, it is simple. Just reel it out and away you go. So now everything in my garden is absolutely spotless thanks to this fantastic machine. Let's get on to the real reason why I wanted it. It's for cleaning cars and filming content for you guys. So we're going to put this thing through its absolute paces. So now it's time to test out the foam cannon. And guys, we've all seen foam cannons like this with other pressure washers and you instantly think this is going to be absolutely rubbish. But I've literally put a little bit of auto bead heavy dirt snow foam and a bit of water in this cannon, and just look at the foam it's producing. Now this foam out of this cannon would give some of the better quality foam lances a run for its money. And I'd also like to mention that the kind folk over at Giraffetools have supplied me with a discount code for you guys for watching. Now please use the code that's on screen now, which is IAITD for 10% off, or just check out the links in the description. So guys, if you're like me and you prefer to use the stubby gun over the longer lances, stick around till the end of the video and I'll explain and tell you what you need and where to get it from to convert your Grandfalls machine to the stubby gun. Well guys, with how my drive is, if I was to fully extend this machine where I was at the top of my drive, I'd have ended up in my neighbour opposite's front living room, and I don't think they would have liked that. So the only real way was to put the jet wash on the road and walk down my street. So as you can see, it goes out and comes back super smooth with no tangling, and the lance and the foam cannon stores on top for extra space saving. But honestly guys, this machine is absolutely fantastic. It does everything you want it and more. And with that 30-meter hose, it's an absolute game changer. I'd also like to say a massive thank you to Giraffetools for reaching out and sending me this machine. All links to this machine will be down below, as well as all their social media links. So please go and check them out and give them a follow. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed hearing my thoughts and opinions on this Grandfalls Retractable Pressure Washer Plus from Giraffetools. But just thought I'd leave you with this. Some of you might have noticed that I stopped using this in a little bit of the video and I switched it out for my stubby gun. Now, if you want to do the same as I have, because I prefer using these, you can get these off Amazon. You're going to need one of these. Now this is an M22 1/4-inch female quick release connector that I bought off Amazon for $6.99. I'll leave the link down below. Simply put a bit of PTFE tape on your existing stubby gun and screw it on. Then connect your hose to the quick release system. There, it is simple as that, and you've got yourself a stubby gun for this fantastic machine. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. While you're there, please don't forget, subscribe, like the video, drop me some hype, and add your comments down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.